Hello Year 8, this is one of two videos or walkthroughs about your second session on sound. Last lesson we looked at waves. The first thing to do is just run through the answers to that booklet, which is now. So if you just pause the video and correct or make a note and compare yours with my answers, then we can move on. This is the third question coming up about noise cancelling headphones. It's quite a difficult question, and if you got that correct, I'm impressed. So pause the video, correct yours, or add any other further information. So what we're doing today is we are looking at sound waves, and in particular we are going to focus on how the amplitude, frequency and wavelength all relate to the pitch and loudness of the sound. Now all I'm going to do on this video is run through what I'd like you to do. It's your instructions, not an explanation, just a set of instructions. So with your booklet, you'll need to scroll down and you'll need to read the information on lesson 2, sound waves. Now you can see I've highlighted some keywords. Okay, and if you're happy with those keywords, that's fine. If you're not happy with those keywords, what you can do is you can go to the Caboodle book, and if you look at page 160, you will see, oops, 160, here we go. Then you can see your glossary, so you just find the keywords in that glossary. Also, if you're unclear about any of the information in your booklet, you can check page 30 and page 31. Page 30. Oops. Not going, but it is definitely 30. There we are. Loudness and pitch. So that should help you if you read through that. Once you've done that, what I would like you to do is I would like you to do the 3 practicals that are on this PowerPoint. First one is musical coat hanger. All the instructions are there and an explanation. The next one involves a bottle orchestra, what to do, and the instructions are here, and also the explanation, and also dancing sprinkles. So again, what you need to think about and an explanation. So once you've gone through those practicals, then you should be able to think about some of the questions here, and you'll need to do questions 4, 5 and 6. And you need to do 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now how do you make a string instrument such as a guitar louder? Well, you'll need to think about what you would need to do to the strings. What would you do to make a percussion instrument such as a drum louder? Well, I think that's quite self-explanatory, isn't it? So off you go. And if you can't do the 3 practicals, then what you need to do is just get an elastic band, stretch an elastic band and pluck it, and just make a mental note of what happens to the sound when the elastic band is short or long. Alternatively, you could get a long ruler and you could put this on the edge of the desk and twang it. And do it for a short end, do it for a long end. Note the difference in pitch and frequency. Also, hit it quite softly and then hit it hardly. Well, hit it quite hard. So, okay, once you've done that, you will need to move on to completing these oscilloscope traces. And for that, you really need to look at the virtual oscilloscope here. Okay, now with the virtual oscilloscope, we can change frequency and we can change gain, which is amplitude. Okay, so you'll be using this to answer and complete these traces. Okay. The second video will contain information about how to do this and an explanation of our key points. Good luck.